Hey, this morning I woke up much earlier than I would like in order to go to school and register for my new program at university. This is not possible to do online for some reason, so I walked to the bus stop and I took a bus and I took a tram and I went to school. There were plenty of people there. Girls looking like they came directly out of a fashion magazine and guys looking like they spend way too much time in front of a mirror each day. Me with my ruffled hair and too big jeans and dirty sneakers didn't fit in. And I don't really feel terrible about that. I'm confident the people I find awesome will be glad that I'm not a snob. My worst fear right now is that I will end up like one of them. Anyway, I eventually found the registration desk with the help of another lost guy, very neatly dressed and perfect hair, who I know for a fact will never be my friend. And I said my name and she wrote okay, and she gave me a bunch of papers she could have sent to me. I didn't even have to show identification, so why is it not possible to do this online? School of Business, Economics and Law. Fancy. And it has some Ravenclaw Slytherin action going on here, like with the blue and silver and the snakes. Too bad I'm a Gryffindor. Oh, and I also got a pin. I suppose it's great to have seen the school, even though I didn't see much of it, but in the end all it really did for me was reminding me about the fact that I don't fit in. I don't fit in the school as whole, that is. I'm very curious to see what my other classmates are like.